But first, Raker, an alert for parents with kids in school right now.
Yeah, confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the classroom. Now that thousands of Houston area students are back to in-person learning, schools are reporting numbers. Clear Creek ISD detected COVID-19 cases on the same day students returned to campuses. And they aren't the only district. Jason Miles has a closer look at what's being done to try to keep things under control.
Clear Creek ISD's Ross Elementary was back in session today despite a COVID-19 case on campus, one involving a kindergarten student who tested positive, according to this letter from the principal.
A family member had already notified the campus staff of a direct exposure of COVID-19 last week.
District spokesperson Elena Polson says red flags went up when the student showed up for the first day of in-person instruction. He or she was sent to this so-called care room to be isolated from other students and staff before returning home, which is part of the district's COVID-19 protocol. Additionally, a staff member at CCISD's Green Elementary School is listed as an active case as well.
You fully expected COVID cases to crop up?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, we can't put a bubble around our schools.
What Clear Creek and other districts say they are doing is enhancing cleaning measures and even extending school days to include more time for washing hands and sanitizing. Not to mention urging families to keep kids at home if they've been around someone with COVID or showing any symptoms. According to Conroe ISD's COVID-19 dashboard, 5 student cases came up on its first day of in-person instruction, along with 3 cases among staff.
And I hope that they're able to contain this and it doesn't turn into a spread that's out of control.
Zeph Capo is president of the Texas chapter of the American Federation of Teachers, which plans to start its own COVID-19 database in addition to what the state is doing.
We'll be able to share anonymously so long as they have some level of evidence to back up their claim.
Clear Creek leaders say mitigating the risk is their priority until the pandemic is no longer a threat.
COVID-19 is around us. We want our families and staff to feel very confident in our protocols.
Jason Miles, KHOU 11 News.